Hello everyone, myself Madhu Prasha and my channel's name is Madhu Smart Study. It is an educational channel related to English learning, English language learning and grammar and vocabulary and writing section, and we will learn about different aspects related to grammar, and to explain its content I'll use Hindi language, and so this way it will be bilingual, है ना. So जो है today's video is related to tenses, and that is the present tense, in which we will come to know about the present perfect tense. So has, have plus past participle. अब past participle क्या होता है? It is a third form of the verb. So with I, we, you and they will make use of have plus third form of verb. Past participle third form of verb हो गया ना. और with he, she, it will make use of has plus third form of verb. तो रेगुलर जो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल है उसमें हम क्या यूज करते हैं? डी और ईडी, है ना. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वॉश्ड, लैंडेड, फिनिश्ड. वी हैव वॉश्ड द डिशेस. The aircraft has landed safely. The students have not finished their exams. So in all these three sentences, we see that ed has been used. So this is the regular past participle. तो irregular forms क्या होती हैं? Some participles are irregular. For example, we have sold our car. She has not drunk her coffee. Have you written the letter? So in all these three sentences, there is use of a irregular form of the verb. Now, present perfect tense, there is a use of be and of have. तो how we'll make use of this? एग्जाम्पल है, the weather has been awful. I have had a lovely time. Thank you. Now how we'll make use of a present perfect tense? इसका use हम किस तरीके से करते हैं? When we use the present perfect, we see things as happening in the past but having a result इन द प्रेजेंट. कि जो भी एक्टिविटीज हुई हैं, जो भी एक्शन हुआ है, वो पास्ट में जो है हैपन हुआ था, लेकिन उसका रिजल्ट जो है हम प्रेजेंट में भी देख रहे हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स आर, द मेड हैज क्लीन्ड द फ्लोर. तो उसने फर्श को साफ कर दिया है. तो इसका रिजल्ट क्या है? इट इज क्लीन नाउ. अब ये फर्श जो है वो साफ है. द एयरक्राफ्ट हैज लैंडेड. व्हाट डज दिस मीन? इट इज ऑन द ग्राउंड नाउ. दे हैव लर्न द वर्ड्स. उन्होंने शब्दों को सीख लिया है. तो इसका रिजल्ट क्या हो गया? दे नो द वर्ड्स. यू हैव ब्रोकन द वॉच. अब वॉच आपने तोड़ दी है, तो क्या हो गया इसका रिजल्ट? इट इज नॉट वर्किंग. द विजिटर्स आर हियर एट लास्ट मीन्स दे हैव अराइव्ड. नाउ हाउ विल मेक यूज ऑफ जस्ट, ऑलरेडी, येट, फॉर एंड सिंस. सो just and already क्या हैं? These are the adverbs which are used to indicate that something has happened or has not happened at an unspecified time in the past. These adverbs are often used with the present perfect. Now the question is, where will make use of already and yet? Already is used for affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences क्या होते हैं? जिनमें हम हाँ का जो है जवाब देते हैं, जो हाँ के साथ रिलेटेड होते हैं. और जो येट है, इट इज यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड क्वेश्चंस. तो यहाँ पे नॉट लगा हुआ है, जहाँ हम उसको इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है वहां पे हम येट यूज करते हैं. तो ऑलरेडी जो है यूजली appears between the auxiliary and the main verb. However, it can appear at the beginning or end of the sentence. Already जो है ये शुरू में भी यूज हो सकता है या सेंटेंस के एंड में है न? लेकिन जो येट है ये कहाँ पे लगता है? इट अपीयर्स एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ये बिगिनिंग में या उसके इन बिटवीन नहीं आता, ये एंड में ही लगाया जाता है येट. अब देखिए कैसे हम लगाते हैं. सब्जेक्ट. नाउ बिकॉज इन दिस प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस वी मेक यूज ऑफ हैज हैव, है ना. सब्जेक्ट है इधर हैज और हैव, देन प्लस ऑलरेडी प्लस वर्ब इन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल मीन्स वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म. लेकिन अब येट कैसे यूज करना है? सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज हैव प्लस नॉट प्लस वर्ब इन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल प्लस येट. क्लियर? तो क्या हो गया, आपने कैसे समझा कि जो ऑलरेडी है इसको हमने अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस में यूज करना है और येट को नेगेटिव या क्वेश्चंस में करना है. इनकी एग्जांपल्स देखिए जरा. वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन आवर रिपोर्ट्स. और नेगेटिव में इसको अब यूज करना है, तो वी हैव नॉट रिटन आवर रिपोर्ट्स येट. क्लियर? वन मोर एग्जांपल. Sam has already recorded the results of the experiment. Sonu has not called her parents yet. Now, more examples with just, already and जो है how we'll make use of that. Examples are we have just come from our holiday. ये हम छुट्टियां बिता के अभी अभी वापस आए हैं. I have just had an idea. Most people have already gone home. ज्यादातर लोग घर जा चुके हैं. My brother has already crashed his car. It's 11 o'clock and you haven't finished the breakfast yet. 11 बज गए हैं, आपने अपना नाश्ता अभी तक खत्म नहीं करा. Has your course started yet? Now, how will make use of for and since? Anu has only had that camera for 3 days. Those people have been at the hotel since Friday. We have lived in Oxford since 1992. So these are the three sentences with the help of which we will understand how where for is used and where since is used. We use for to say how long this period is. So in that sentence, what is given? For 3 days. We use since to say when the period began. Since Friday. We can also use the present perfect with for and since when something has stopped happening. कोई भी जो एक्टिविटी है, कोई भी एक्शन है, वो अब रुक गया है ना. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have not seen him for ages. मुद्दतें हो गई हैं, मैंने उसको देखा नहीं है. She has not visited us since July. जुलाई से जो है वो यहाँ पे जो है नहीं आई है. एंड देन कम्स जो है वन मोर एग्जाम्पल्स हैं कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस जो है इट इज यूज्ड टू इंडिकेट एन एक्शन दैट हैपेंड एट एन indefinite time in the past. For example, John has traveled around the world. We don't know when. या तो जॉन ने ना सारी दुनिया की सैर करी है, लेकिन ये नहीं पता हमने कब करी है. An action that happened more than once in the past. George has seen this movie 3 times. An action that began in the past and is still occurring in the present. John has lived in the same house for 20 years and he still lives there. So we can write it in other way also. John has lived in this same house since 1995. He still lives there. It is now 2024. Now, more examples for present perfects are George has already walked to school. तो has के साथ हमने क्या लगा दिया? Walked. Third form of verb. He has been to California 3 times. Mary has seen this movie before. They have been at home all day, not yet completed. We haven't gone to the store yet. Indefinite time. Now, there is an exercise related to present perfect tense. And the sentences are John write his report. We have to write it in the present perfect tense. So, how will make use of it? John has written his report. We finish our work. So with I, we, you, they, we make use of have. है ना? So क्या आ जाएगा? We have finished our work. They learn their lesson. They have learnt their lesson. You break my slate. You have broken my slate. I do my duty. I have done my duty. My brother not go to school. My brother कौन सा person है ये? Third person. With third person, he, she, it. We make use of has plus third form of verb. My brother has not gone to school. I do my duty. I have done my duty. Then he go to Delhi question mark. Has he gone to Delhi? Then again, they help you question mark. Have they helped you? The boys solve the sums. The boys have solved the sums. I revised the complete lesson. I have revised the complete lesson. So I do hope with all these examples and exercise, you might have understood what present perfect tense is, how it is used in tenses. So if you have liked this video, kindly subscribe my channel मधु स्मार्ट स्टडी, है ना. तो MSS इसका लोगो है एंड so that the coming videos might reach you people. So thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.